Antarctica, a land of icy plains, towering glaciers, and unforgiving cold. It's a continent shrouded in mystery, holding secrets buried deep beneath its frozen shell. In 1964, a team of Russian scientists embarked on a seismic survey in Antarctica, their instruments humming across the vast white expanse. They were searching for clues about the continent's geological history. What they found instead was a discovery that would rewrite our understanding of life on Earth. Their instruments detected something unusual, a vast body of liquid water hidden beneath miles of ice. This was the first glimpse of Lake Vostok, a hidden world entombed in darkness for millions of years. The discovery of Lake Vostok sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. Here was a unique environment, isolated from the rest of the planet, potentially harboring life forms unknown to science. The lake's isolation, trapped beneath the ice sheet, presented a tantalizing possibility. Could it hold clues about the origins of life on Earth? Or perhaps even hint at the existence of life in other extreme environments, like the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn? Lake Vostok is a subglacial lake, meaning it lies beneath a glacier. It's the largest of Antarctica's known subglacial lakes, about the size of Lake Ontario. The immense pressure from the overlying ice sheet keeps the lake in liquid form, despite its location in one of the coldest places on Earth. The lake's isolation is what makes it so intriguing to scientists. It has been sealed off from the atmosphere for millions of years, creating a time capsule of ancient life. In 1973, an international team of scientists drilled through the ice sheet to reach Lake Vostok. They carefully collected samples of the lake water, taking precautions to avoid contamination. Analysis of these samples revealed the presence of microorganisms. These weren't just any microorganisms, they were unique life forms, adapted to the extreme conditions of the lake. This discovery was groundbreaking. It demonstrated that life could exist in environments once thought uninhabitable. Beyond Lake Vostok, Antarctica holds other secrets, some of which arrived from the vastness of space. In 2006, scientists discovered a massive gravitational anomaly beneath the Wilkes Land region of East Antarctica. This anomaly, a region of unusually strong gravity, hinted at a massive object hidden beneath the ice. Further investigation revealed that this gravitational anomaly was likely caused by a massive impact crater. The Wilkes Land crater, estimated to be about 300 miles in diameter, is one of the largest impact craters on Earth. Scientists believe it was formed by an asteroid impact about 250 million years ago, around the time of the Permian-Triassic extinction event. This event, also known as the Great Dying, wiped out over 90% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. The timing of the Wilkes Land impact raises a chilling possibility. Could this cosmic impact have contributed to the largest mass extinction event in Earth's history? The Doomsday Glacier, a harbinger of change. While the secrets of Lake Vostok and the Wilkes Land crater offer glimpses into Earth's past, Antarctica also holds ominous warnings for our future. One such warning comes from the Thwaites Glacier, a behemoth of ice slowly flowing into the Amundsen Sea. This glacier, often dubbed the Doomsday Glacier, has been rapidly melting in recent decades. Scientists are particularly concerned about Thwaites because of its size and potential impact on global sea levels. If the Thwaites Glacier were to collapse completely, it could raise global sea levels by several feet. This would have devastating consequences for coastal communities worldwide, displacing millions of people and inundating major cities. The melting of Thwaites is a stark reminder of the urgent need to address climate change. The fate of this glacier is inextricably linked to our own, highlighting the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Guardians of the Ice, the Antarctic Treaty. Recognizing the importance and vulnerability of Antarctica, nations around the world came together in 1959 to sign the Antarctic Treaty. This landmark agreement designates Antarctica as a continent dedicated to peace and scientific research. The treaty prohibits military activity, mineral mining, and nuclear explosions on the continent. It also promotes international scientific cooperation and the sharing of research data. The Antarctic Treaty has been hailed as a shining example of international collaboration. It has helped to preserve the continent's pristine environment and foster a spirit of cooperation among scientists from around the world. However, the treaty faces challenges in the 21st century. Climate change, increasing pressure for resource extraction, and geopolitical tensions threaten the delicate balance that the treaty has maintained for over 6 decades. Antarctica's global impact, a scientific wonderland. Antarctica is a continent of extremes. a place where life clings to existence in the face of relentless cold and darkness. Yet, beneath its icy facade, lies a treasure trove of scientific knowledge. The continent's unique conditions make it an ideal natural laboratory for studying a wide range of disciplines, from climate science and geology to astronomy and astrobiology. Ice cores drilled from the Antarctic ice sheet provide a detailed record of Earth's climate history, stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. These ice cores contain trapped air bubbles which act like tiny time capsules, preserving ancient air samples. By analyzing the composition of these air bubbles, scientists can reconstruct past atmospheric conditions, including greenhouse gas concentrations and temperature variations. This information is crucial for understanding Earth's climate system and predicting future climate change. The future of ice: preserving a frozen legacy. As we peer into the 21st century, the future of Antarctica hangs in the balance. Climate change poses the most significant threat to the continent, driving the melting of glaciers, rising sea levels, and altering ecosystems. The fate of Antarctica is inextricably linked to our own. The choices we make today will determine the future of this icy continent and its impact on the planet as a whole. Preserving Antarctica's frozen legacy requires a global effort. We must reduce greenhouse gas emissions, invest in renewable energy sources, and protect this fragile ecosystem from further harm. The future of Antarctica depends on our collective will to address climate change and our commitment to international collaboration. By heeding the warnings embedded in its ice, we can ensure that Antarctica remains a continent of science, peace, and wonder for generations to come.